My name is Mark Aragon. This is my son Payton Aragon, and we're based out of Salle, Colorado. So this truck is a 2003 Peterbilt 379 extended hood. I built it here with my son Payton. He pretty much, other than the color, came up with all the design. I could let him tell you a little bit about it.
Yeah, we started off, it was just 2003, it was a day cab, it wasn't stretched out or nothing, and then we were hauling cattle with it, and I told my dad, dude, we can't keep rolling around in this, not lame, but like this day cab, we gotta make it cool, come on. And he was like, all right. So we put the sleeper on originally. It was a 72-inch stand-up, and then we put the Talladega fiberglass to make a conversion kit to make it a flat top. I'll let you say.
Yeah, so then we went with a 12-gauge air ride up front. We did the American Eagle 22-inch bumper, the truck's lights. We made our own custom logos to match our last name. We did the gold leaf striping to kind of break up the green because there was a lot of green. So as far as the green, it's a candy paint that we got through House of Colors to kind of just stand out in a crowd full of trucks here in a parking lot full of beautiful trucks. We got the watermelon lights with the 14-inch visor. And then we got button tuck interior. We got the 4 states floor that we painted. We got the twin sticks. That's a 4-state second shift kit that they did. We moved the stereo down into the dash and we converted it to a little TV, so there's a screen in the dash instead of having the radio up top.
And you can watch TV on that, which we thought was kind of cool.
Yep. So the pinstriping goes all the way through the truck, throughout. We just try to keep the theme through the inside and the outside. Got the 8-inch stacks. One thing that I've always thought was really cool is my son just thought it would be cool to flip the ends of the diesel tanks out. So they did that, and it seems like a lot of people come to notice that. We got the fuel tank panel, which we pinstriped as well. And Payton came up with this idea a little bit, him and the painter, about we put so much time and money and effort into this truck. So they made a shape of a safe with a little dial there, the combination, and then just money coming out of it just because of all the time and effort we put in it. They thought that was kind of just a cool little touch to put. But we boxed the frame in just to give it that old school kind of like hot rod look. But yeah.
And then we did the pinstriping all throughout. We boxed every one of our bumpers.
We have a buddy, his name's Kyle Cook out of Eaton Paint and Body. He did all the painting. Little Dame, she's a pinstriper out of Colorado. She's the one who did all the pinstriping and the gold leaf on the truck.